Tired of your marketing and sales teams operating in separate silos, leading to missed opportunities and a messy customer journey? I'm going to show you how to seamlessly connect your marketing automation platform to Zoho CRM, unlocking a world of efficiency and boosting your bottom line. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. Make sure you have administrator privileges, as these are needed to install extensions and configure integrations. Next, navigate to the Setup menu. You can usually find this by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the main settings area of Zoho CRM. Look for the Marketplace or Extensions section within the Setup menu. Click on it. This is where you'll find pre-built integrations for various marketing automation platforms. Search for your specific marketing automation platform, such as MailChimp, Marketo, or HubSpot. Once you find your desired platform, click on the Install button. You will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions and grant the necessary permissions for the integration to access your Zoho CRM data. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. This typically involves entering your API keys or login credentials for both your Zoho CRM and your marketing automation platform. Be sure to carefully review the permissions you're granting. Now, configure the integration settings. This is where you map fields between your marketing automation platform and Zoho CRM. For example, you might map the email field in your marketing automation platform to the email field in Zoho CRM. You can also choose the synchronization frequency how often data is updated between the two systems. Finally, test your integration by creating a sample lead in your marketing automation platform and verifying that it appears in Zoho CRM. You can also set up automated workflows to trigger actions based on specific events, like adding new leads to targeted email campaigns. Now you can enjoy streamlined data, automated campaigns, and improve lead management.